Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create a splash screen in our Flutter application. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already initialized a main function with the material app. So now we will create a stateful widget and just name like splash, and in the home just pass this splash. Okay, so let's create a screen for it. Pass the scaffold, body, and assign a column. So I'll just creating a widget of Flutter logo and just name it like splash screen and pass a circular progress indicator, for example, circular progress indicator. So let's test it. uh, okay, it's time to test. Let's see what we get. Okay, it's working, but it's really looking weird. So let's fix it. Pass a background color to scaffold. Now looks interesting. Let's make it a bit interesting. Okay, so as you can see, we have got our screen. So now what we'll do is we have to load this screen for a few seconds. Uh, and one thing more to mention is that you guys must be wondering, why did I use the stateful widget? Well, the reason for that is I had to use the init state. Means in the init state I will use a timer for a specific seconds, and for the specific seconds this screen will load and will navigate onto the second screen. Okay, so let's initialize a timer for it. Init state, and in the init state, before the super.init, initialize a timer which takes duration. Pass on the duration. I want this screen, let's say, for 5 seconds, and with the callback, after the 5 seconds, navigate onto a second screen. Okay, so let's create another Dart file. Let's say home page. 1 minute. Yes, looks fine. Create a stateless, no need for stateful here. Home page, scaffold, home body, center, child text, let's say home page. Okay. Okay, material page route, and pass on the context and return the home page. It's time to restart. Okay. Let's see if we get our desired result. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you can see, the timer ran successfully and we got our result. Okay, so that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel, and for more amazing content please hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.